guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today maglalaro tayo ML. Mag-like and subscribe and comment down below kayo ha. At saka, syempre, hanggang 4 minutes lang ako dito kasi guys, ano nang naglalag ako eh, syempre. Okay guys, good na nagsasalita ba? Siyempre, gusto ko marinig ang salita.
Ready, go!
Sino kasi magsasalita? Hindi na nakakapagsalita dito eh. Ano ba yan? Ano ba ito ah? Okay, kung nakakarinig sa kanya. Okay, nag-gusto si everything. Then.
Get lost, or aim. Another interdimensional crisis.
Hindi guys, syempre. Labis na 2 minutes lang tayo. Sorry guys ha. Bawal talaga ako mag-game kasi naglalag tayo. Sige guys, hantayin ko na kayo doon. And
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
What's up everyone? Narinig nyo ba ako? Kung hindi, magsalita kayo dyan oh. Eh, paano nyo pala kung hindi marinig kung magsasalita? Anyway,
The gun represents justice.
Dalaban na.
Pointing at bad guys.
Ano gagawin dyan? Oh! Loser!
We can do it.
Ay, pag ako hindi talaga naglalagi!
First blood.
First blood.
Once little girl.
Ano yan
is gonna
yung
save
face
someone this
nila,
time.
inataka ko.
An enemy has
Ano
been slain.
mag-save ako? Siyempre, Op. Bawal ka dito. Uy, galing. Ay, bakit ka naglalakad dyan? Papatayin ko muna microphone ko.
More firepower this time. Request backup.
Bakit ako naglalakad?
You can always find your own path to
guys.
becoming a hero.
That's a friend.
Enemy has been slain.
Scary. Guys, scary to. And never miss.
Now I know better.
Okay,
I'm
guys.
stronger.
Magta-teleport na tayo dun. Ano ba? Okay, guys. Hindi ako nagko-control yan. Okay, guys. Di ko na forma. Ano to? Oh. Nagdalag talaga ako.
Ever thought about getting some training at Shio? Target locked. An enemy has requested that you have slain an enemy. I'm still warming up.
Ayan. Ano?
An enemy has been slain. I would never back down.
Oh my God. Wag ka sumubot na niya. Ay, ang kulit na ito.
Let the shining star show you the way. Killing spree.
Oh my God.
Slain.
Lakas.
An enemy has been slain. The gun represents justice. When pointing at bad
Oh my God.
Bullseye.
Ah!
That was a spur of the moment decision.
Oh my God, si Layla. Si Mia yata. Oh my
That
God,
one
panoorin
little
ko
girl
na.
He's
Pumunta
gonna save
doon.
someone this time.
Oh yes, mayroon na siyang kakampi. Meron na
Killing spree.
tulong. Siyempre, hindi ko naka... Ala,
Ally has been slain.
nangyari. No, hindi mamatay.
Slain. Ally has request backup.
Ayun. Nag-sacrifice siya, guys.
Target locked.
Oh my God. Oh, she's the fucking God.
You have been slain.
Okay, guys. So, I'll see you tomorrow. See you next time. Goodbye.